Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: 8 super easy ways to reduce side fat fast. If you've been looking to tone your obliques and get rid of those pesky love handles, you're in the right place. We'll be exploring some effective exercises that target your side muscles. So, let's jump right into it. First up, we have the plank, a classic core exercise that also targets your side muscles. To perform this exercise, get into a push-up position, resting on your forearms. Keep your body in a straight line, engage your core, and hold the position for at least 30 seconds. You can increase the duration as you get more comfortable. Now, let's move on to side planks. Lie on your side with your elbow directly beneath your shoulder and your legs stacked on top of each other. Lift your hips off the ground, creating a straight line from your head to your feet. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds on each side. This exercise targets your obliques and helps in reducing side fat effectively. Next, we have bicycle crunches, an excellent exercise for engaging your entire core, including the obliques. Lie on your back with your hands behind your head and your knees bent. Bring one knee towards your chest while simultaneously rotating your torso to bring the opposite elbow towards that knee. Alternate sides in a bicycle motion. Aim for 15 to 20 repetitions on each side. Moving on to leg lifts, a fantastic exercise for targeting the lower abdominals and the sides. Lie flat on your back with your hands by your sides. Lift your legs off the ground, keeping them straight and together. Lower them back down but don't let them touch the floor. Repeat for 12 to 15 repetitions, and you'll feel the burn in your obliques. Finally, let's try out Russian twists to work those side muscles. Sit on the floor with your knees bent and your feet flat. Lean back slightly and lift your feet off the ground. Hold your hands together in front of you and twist your torso to the right, then to the left. Repeat this twisting motion for 20 to 25 reps. Now let's talk about 3 simple rules to get rid of that side fat. The first rule is to watch your calorie intake. To lose side fat, you need to create a calorie deficit, which means burning more calories than you consume. Start by tracking your daily food intake and identify areas where you can make healthier choices. Opt for nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Reducing portion sizes can also be helpful in managing your calorie intake. You can add flaxseed oil to your salads, smoothies, or use it as a dressing for your meals. Just remember to store it in the refrigerator to maintain its freshness. You can add flaxseed oil to your salads, smoothies, or use it as a dressing for your meals. Just contribute to shedding side fat. Instead, opt for healthier alternatives like water, herbal teas, or flavored sparkling water. There you have it: 8 super easy ways to reduce side fat fast. Incorporate these exercises into your regular workout routine and remember to combine them with a balanced diet for best results. Always listen to your body and start with a comfortable number of repetitions, gradually increasing as you build strength. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and exercises. Let us know in the comments which exercise you're excited to try out. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.